Hi, my name is Emily Nibe. I am currently in my third year at Nebraska Methodist College in the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program. I'm from a really small town called Valley. It's about 30 minutes from Omaha and it has about 2,000 people in it. I graduated from a really small high school called DC West with about 60 people in my graduating class. On the left, I have a picture here of my boyfriend and I. His name is TJ. We've been dating for 4 years. And on the right, a picture of my dog Stella, who is now a year and a half. Lastly, my inspiration is Michelle Obama. I just think she's a really great leader and very empowering to women. And I also think it's really important that she takes the initiative to focus on childhood obesity and nutrition and education. And a quote that I think is very great from her is always stay true to yourself and never let what somebody else says distract you from your goals. And I think that's really important when going through nursing school and also working in the healthcare field. Thanks.